Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share your Instagram story directly to WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and swipe right to open the camera screen. Now, tap on the gallery icon at the bottom and select the photo or video you want to post. After selecting, you can add text, stickers, or music to customize your story. Once you're ready, tap on your story to upload it. After your story is uploaded, open it and look at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see the WhatsApp icon. Tap on it. This will automatically redirect you to your WhatsApp status page. Now tap on the send arrow to share it as your status. Within a few seconds, your Instagram story will be posted on WhatsApp. And that's it. That's how you can easily share your Instagram story directly to WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.